today I'll show you easy, tasty, filling and healthy breakfast recipe using poha or flattened rice or beaten rice. Poha or beaten rice or flattened rice are used for staple breakfast in many parts of India. But each region has their own specialties. But today I bring one of my most favorite and healthiest poha, that is steamed poha in Indori style. So without further any delaying, let's make Indori Poha. So first take a vessel and add lots of water into it, then cover it and set it for boil. Then let's prepare our poha or flattened or beaten rice for steaming. For Indori style poha, we'll need poha obviously. This is normal medium size poha. Now take a bowl and add 1 cup of poha to it. I need to wash the poha thoroughly. For that I am adding some water to this bowl. Now give it a quick mix using a spoon or by your hand. Then quickly drain the water by using a strainer. My poha is in good condition, so I am washing it once. You might need to wash it twice or thrice. But do not let the water sit for a while. You need to drain the water very quickly. Otherwise the poha might become mushy, which you don't want, right? Now to this I am adding 1 teaspoon sugar, some salt to taste. Then lastly add a pinch of turmeric powder or 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix everything thoroughly and keep aside. Now let's prepare our tadka or the tempering for the poha. So take a small pan. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon oil and heat the oil very well. Now to this I am adding pinch of hing or asafoetida powder, followed by half teaspoon fennel seed and half teaspoon mustard seed. Let it fry a bit. Then to this I am adding some curry leaves. And lastly some finely chopped 2 green chilies. Now fry all of this very well. So my tempering is absolutely ready now. I am taking it off from the heat and putting it over the poha or the beaten rice or the flattened rice. And lastly squeeze half of lemon or lime juice. Now give it a good mix and it's ready for steaming. As you can see, the water is boiling up. So place a steamer or the strainer over it. Now add all of the poha over the steamer or the strainer. Now I am trying to spread the poha evenly so that everything can evenly cook. Now cover it with a lid and let it steam for at least 10 minutes. If you are preparing big batch of poha, then it may take more time, but not more than 15 minutes. So foodies, it's been already 10 minutes and my Indori style steamed poha seems to be ready now. Let's check it. And yes, it's ready. It becomes so soft and fluffy. And as you can see, it's not mushy and every grain of poha is separated from each other. So now take it off from the heat and serve it in a plate or in a bowl. And we need some topping that goes very well with poha. Some mixed safe or chipki flour fritters. You can find this recipe in the description box. Some roasted or fried peanuts, very finely chopped onion, and a pinch of Jeerawan masala. This is very local Indori spice. If you can't find this, you can use Kitchen King masala as well. You can certainly decide the quantity and the types of toppings of your choice, but today I am keeping it simple. Even you can add freshly chopped coriander leaves and even you can add pomegranate seed as well. So foodies, this is our Indori style steamed poha, which is the healthiest poha and yummy and even nutritious one. Do try it at your home for your breakfast and let me know in the comment section below how this is turned out. And if you enjoyed this video or if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it for more such recipes. I will come up with another recipe. Till then, bye bye. Happy cooking and happy eating.